How to lock your Windows files and folders. The easiest way to encrypt files and folders is to use Windows built-in encryption. First of all, find the folder or file you want to encrypt in Windows File Explorer. Now, right-click on the item and select Properties option available from the drop-down menu. Then click Advanced to open up the Advanced Attributes Settings option available there. Then check the box for encrypt contents to secure data, then click OK. Finally, click Apply and select Apply changes to this folder, subfolders, and files. Your file or folder and all its data are now encrypted as indicated by the little lock overlaying the folder icon. If you add any new items to the folder, those will be automatically encrypted too. Windows built-in encryption uses your Windows user account password as the decryption key, which will prevent others from snooping and help protect sensitive files in case anyone else uses your computer. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.